In this video, I will answer two questions. Question 1. Can we run Facebook ad without a page? Here by page, I mean a Facebook page. So the answer is no. We need a Facebook page in order to run Facebook ads. This is minimum. Now question 2 is, can we run Facebook ad without a page? Over here, I mean a landing page. So the question is, can we run a Facebook ad without a landing page? The answer is yes, we can run a Facebook ad without a landing page or a website. There are several campaigns that you can choose to run if you don't have a website or a landing page. Number 1, lead ad campaign, where people are sent to an instant form and where you collect people's information. Therefore, you get leads. Number 2, messaging campaign, where people are funneled into a messenger. You can choose to collect people's information over there. Number 3, page like campaign. In this campaign, people will like your page. You can get tens, hundreds or thousands of likes by doing this campaign. Number 4, WhatsApp campaign. Here, people will be directed to your WhatsApp message. Number 5, call campaign. Through this, people can directly call you. If you are using a call campaign, it's best to do the campaign during the work hour where people can call you and your team can receive the call. Number 6, video views campaign. Here, people will watch your video. Number 7, post engagement campaign. Here the purpose is that people will engage with your post or ad. Write in the comment how was this video useful. Subscribe if you'd like to see more content on Facebook and Instagram ads.